Lately, I've been feeling like there's so much noise. So much static. Just all these voices competing for attention. And it's like all this shit just gets so loud, I feel like I can't even hear myself think. But then I see you. You see me, and you smile. Just smile. And it's like all that noise fades away, you know? And the only thing I can hear is the sound of your voice.
Listen. Can you hear? I can hear it everywhere. In the wind. In the air. In the light. It's all around us. All you have to do is open yourself up. All you have to do is listen.
You know they have a special gift, don't you? Would you like to know what it is? You can tell them all your secrets and always keep them safe. She's never told a soul. You can tell her anything and it'll always be safe.